What's up, guys? It's makeup artist Jakrista. Today I'm just going to show you all how I achieve my eyebrows that I am so well known for. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump in. I'm using an angle brush, and I'm going to also use my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in the color Ebony. So as you can see right now, I'm just going in and underlining my brows, and then I'm going to drag the angle brush up and fill it in. Now you can see that I messed up a little bit, but that's fine. You'll see that I will go in and clean that up with the concealer in the next step. Now, if you notice, I am trying to avoid the beginning of my brow because I don't like for my brows to look boxy and square. And so I'm just going to take that spoolie and kind of blend them out. You see I'm comparing the brows. I'm just going to blend it out, make sure it looks natural. Like I said, I do not like square brows. Now I'm just going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I have two, one for the top and one for the bottom. What I'm going to use on the bottom is I'm still going to use the angle brush, and then I'm just going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Like I said, I love the color Fawn. It goes great on everyone's skin tones. If you're chocolate, if you're light skin, it goes well on everyone's skin tone. I use that color all the time when I do makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my brows at the bottom. As you can see, where I messed up at the beginning is no more. This is like a magic a magic eraser. So I just start from the back and then drag it down, and then I come on up to the front. Now, the concealer step is very important. You have to be very precise. You have to make sure it's darn near perfect, because if you mess up your brows, your makeup will not look good. I promise you that. Now I'm just going to take a little blending brush that I have, and I'm just going to blend that concealer in as much as I can without messing up my brow. I'm just going to blend that in, drag it down, and make it look nice and natural. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Espresso. I use the color that's closest to my skin tone for the top, so it can look natural. Some people like to use Fawn or the lighter at the top, so it make it look like they have freshly waxed brows. But me, for this look, I'm just going to use a concealer that's as closest to my skin tone as possible. Now I'm just going to go in and go ahead and blend that in so it can look as natural as possible. Now, if you want to be extra like moi, you can put highlight on your brow bone just to make your brow pop a little bit more. I'm using the Black Radiance highlight in the color Beautiful. I use this highlight all the time. I used it on my last video. It's very pigmented, and it just makes all of the makeup look better. Thank you guys so much for watching my how-to brow tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah.